Hello, Angelo Santos here, one of the support here in Groove Digital, and today I will show you how you can add hyperlink text on the text element. So you need to in order to do that, you just need to click on the specific text element. So this is a text element, as you can see here on the breadcrumb section, and if you also click this pencil icon, this is the text. So to get the hyperlink, just click to the specific element, make sure that these options are available, and just highlight the specific text for this one. So I will just add a click here, for example, to get more online. So I will highlight this click here. I will just make it this smaller. I'll highlight this click here, and if you just highlight it, you will see that there will be this text editor. And in order to hyperlink it, you just click this chain icon. This is the link, and this will give you this option. Now you need to put the URL and make sure that it is HTTPS format, because if the HTTPS is not included on the URL, the link will not work. So let's just try this one an example. I will copy this code, log in here and paste it, and I will just hit enter. Now you can see that I already linked it, and you see that the text will turn to this color. And to change it, you just need to highlight it again and change the color to match the color with this one. Or if you want, you can just um, choose color that you want, for example red. So just like that. So that's all you need to do, and you just need to publish it. So let's just try it. So it's saved. Let's just wait for the green indication on this section. So site publish in progress. So it is now in the progress act, and I just need to click this link here. Then once you go to the live site, this is already updated, and if you click on this one, you will see that this YouTube link has opened. So that's how you can set up your hyperlink text. And also, to remove the hyperlink, you just need to highlight it again and just click this link again. You'll see this option, and just leave it blank and hit enter. So that will remove the link. And also you can also reset the code or the color, but it it's better to do the undo button to get to more organized. So that's all, and have a great day, everyone.